Okay, I just boiled more water and I'm gonna pour this in. Pretty hot water. And it's just about the mark there, so I think it's good. You'll probably notice, when I started brewing, steeping the grains and stuff like that, I didn't really pay attention to how much water I'm putting in. And, it's you kind of like get the idea over time, but basically at the end you just want to make sure that when you're filling it, you fill it all the way to the mark here or somewhere around there. Yeah, at this point you want to make sure that everything is sanitized, might seem like I'm just doing things, but I want to make sure like things like hands and the spoons and whatever, if you want to mix stuff, is all sanitized. So as you can see here, I have a sanitizer, and I'm just gonna stir this a bit. Should be the right temperature now, I think. And if it's a little bit cold, maybe it's okay. But ideally you want to get it 20 degrees or something, so that things can start fermenting right away as opposed to 3 hours later. So this is the yeast, and cut it a little bit here. Okay. Oh my god, got a mess. So I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff out, it seems. Okay. So that's a liquid yeast. If you have dry yeast, it's basically the same idea. Just pour it in, and it doesn't really matter about mixing at this point because I think you're gonna have to shake it anyway, and I'm gonna show you why that's sort of important. Okay, some people don't do it, but I do it. Okay, so this stuff is freshly sanitized, but I'm gonna just pour a little bit of sanitizer here anyway. Okay, just being a bit paranoid here. Yeah, that's it. Sealed. Okay, now gonna put the airlock in, which is also sanitized and has some sanitizer in there. And tomorrow probably, or I don't know, in about 12 to 16 hours it should start bubbling. So you should see this stuff bubble quite intensely, actually, the first day at least. And so what I do is shake this a bit. And the reason why this is kind of important is to have as much oxygen as possible inside this wort, because yeast is gonna love that. So the more oxygen it has, the better it is, and fermentation goes smoothly. I usually do this for about 90 seconds, but you know what? Today I'm gonna do it less. And maybe I'll shake it a little bit more. But anyway, so the idea is you put this somewhere else, outside of, where you usually work. Dark place is better, whatever, just somewhere. And it's gonna ferment for about a week or so. And then after that we're gonna rack it, put it in a different container, a carboy, and then after carboy is bottling. So it's about 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks for this to complete, and you have your heffeweizen. That's it. Thanks, guys.